Welcome to the last installment of August JAMboree. I hope you've had fun watching all of our videos, and I do want to remind you, tomorrow's the giveaway. So make sure you've left a comment on every JAMboree video so you'll be eligible to win. So, in my previous two videos, you learned how to make a butter, right? And you don't use any pectin at all in that. And then we used some liquid pectin when we made our other jam. And today we're going to use kind of a more unusual pectin for jam. We're going to use a box of Jello. That's right, strawberry Jello. Now this jam, it's called Rhubarb pineapple jam, but you know, when you taste it, it's like, what am I tasting? You know, I tasted the pineapple first, my husband tasted the strawberry, but nobody seems to be able to identify the rhubarb flavor. It's very subtle in this, but it's a beautiful ruby red colored jam and darn easy to make. So let's get started. I found this recipe on the Taste of Home website. So we're going to use 5 cups sugar. Pour that in. 5 cups sliced rhubarb. And like I said, you can use frozen or fresh. This is fresh from the garden. And then you were supposed to use 20-ounce can, and don't drain it, of crushed pineapple. I didn't have it. I only had these pineapple tidbits. So I just used my immersion blender, and there we go. That will work. Pour that in. It smells so good. Pineapple always smells good. Okay. And that's it in here. But we also need some strawberry Jello, 6 ounce. But we aren't adding that until a little bit later. Now, it said in the recipe to use a Dutch oven, but I'm using my jam pot here. It's up to you what you want to use. We're going to want to mix this in really well. And we're going to stir it occasionally and cook it for 22 minutes until all the sugar melts. And then I'll be back. So our rhubarb mixture here was boiling. I'm bringing it down to sim, and we're going to simmer it for 20 minutes. Okay, this wasn't part of the instructions, but I thought, as long as I got my blender out, I'm going to try just mixing this up a bit. Put in our Jello. Put it back on the burner. And now we just want to stir this up until the Jello is all dissolved. Be back when that's done. Okay, so you just want to wipe the rim. Put on the lid. Finger tight the ring. Which, whoo, that's hot. Okay, ready to go in the canner. So all the jars are in. I'm going to put the lid on. Once it gets to a nice rolling boil, I'm going to boil it for 10 minutes, and then we'll be done. Here they are. They're starting to seal. Aren't they lovely? Such a lovely color. This would be a great Christmas jam too. Whoa, doesn't that look good? I gotta do a taste test. Very sweet. You can taste the pineapple. You know there's something else, but what is it? It's the rhubarb and the strawberry Jello. I want to thank all the contributors, the different channels who made August JAMboree great. Tuli Lou Creates, Deep South Homestead, Diane the Canning Nana, Gemini Homestead, Helga's Pennsylvania Cookie, Homestead Dad, Jenny Gow, Sutton's Days, Vicky's Country Home. And I hope we can do it next year again. Remember, all their links are below this video, and make sure you click on them and subscribe. Now, next month, I'll be in 2 collaborations. One of them is really big. It is the 31 days of preparedness, and it has a lot of channels that you're going to recognize. And the other one is Spam-Timber. Yep, what are you going to do with all those cans of Spam on your shelf? Well, we're going to show you what to do. So thanks for watching this. Tomorrow will be the giveaway. As always, please subscribe, share the knowledge, and thumbs up if you like this video.